This is chapter number 4 and we are discussing linear equations in two variable. In previous discussions we have studied the linear equation in one variable, that is, this is a linear equation, there is no power more than 1, so x is there, the highest power is 1, and then it has only one variable. One variable with no power more than 1 is the equation which is known as one variable equation, right? Linear equation because it is not square. So these are our linear equation in one variable. You just find one variable here. Variable means x we represent by x, y, z, etc. because they will take some value and they will change. And they have a unique solution, means x plus 1 is equal to 0. That means x equal to minus 1. You take 1 here, so it will change the sign. So it has a unique solution. They have a unique solution. Now here we will see the equations in two variables. Not only x, will have some y also. And what are the possible solutions, whether the solutions are unique or not, and how the solution can be very well represented on a Cartesian plane. The coordinates x and y and coordinates can be represented on the plane. Linear equations. So what is a linear equation? What this equation shows that it has one variable which is x and the power is maximum is 1. There is only one variable with power maximum 1, not more than 1. So this is a variable and linear equation because it is not square, only x has the power 1. So this is a linear equation, and when we want to find out the solution of this equation, if I put 2 and in the place of x I put minus 5 by 2, what do I get? 2 to the 4 and this is minus 5, minus 5 plus 5 equal to 0. So this x, for which value this is going to give me 0, is the solution. So you can also do it like this. Transfer 5 here, it will be minus 5. Then divide both sides by 2, so you get x equal to minus 5 by 2. This is also the solution. Now this minus 5 by 2 is essentially, just ignore the minus sign, this will be 2.5. That is in between 2 and 3 it will be, but because it is minus, so you take the left hand side of the number line and this is in between. So this is minus 5 by 2. So while you are solving an equation, this has to be kept in mind. The solution of linear equation is not affected if you add both sides, left hand side, right hand side, by same number. If you subtract any number from both the sides, it doesn't affect. If you multiply both sides by the equation, left hand side both and right hand side, or if you divide both sides by any same number, not 0, the equation will remain as it is, it will not change. In a one-day international cricket match between India and some country like Sri Lanka, it was played somewhere in Nagpur. So two batsmen together scored 176. Now you have to express this in form of an equation. So let us take x as the run scored by the first batsman. Y is the run scored by the second batsman. When you add them, it has to come 176. This is the you can say a statement, and we have written an equation on the basis of this statement, which is the addition of the marks scored by two individual or two batsmen. It is 176. This is the required equation, and this is nothing but an equation with two variable, linear equation with two variable. So this is an example of linear equation in two variable, and this is customary, traditional, or you can say trivially, we represent the variable as x and y, but there is no boundation. St you can take, pq you can take, uv you can take, so any variable you can take, but generally we take x and y. So these all are the equations, linear equations in two variable, because we have p and q two variable, x and y two variable, u and v two variable, and the maximum power is 1, not 2. So maximum power of any variable is 1, that is, this is a linear equation. So any equation which can be put in the form of ax plus by plus c, this is important, ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a and b should not be 0 at the same time. This kind of equation is known as a linear equation in two variable, though the variables are x and y. Write each of the equation in the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So this is 2x plus 3y, take minus, means 4.37 here, left hand side. This is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. A is 2, b is 3 and c is minus 4.37. Similarly, take minus means root 3y on the left hand side, it will be x minus root 3y minus 4, a is 1, b is minus 3 and c is minus 4. In this case, 5x minus 3y, take 4 here, minus 4. 5x minus 3y minus 4, a is 5, b is minus 3, c is minus 4. In this case, 2x equal to y, take y here. That will be 2x minus y plus 0 equal to 0. You can write 0 always because 0 doesn't affect. So a is 2, b is minus 1 and c is 0 here. So in this way, we have the linear equation in the form of ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Now the equation of type ax plus b equal to 0, this is also a linear equation in two variable. How? Because y is not there, but y, if you put 0 in front of y, that is 0 into y equal to 0. So you can always have add 0. So ax plus b, but you can add 0 dot y, which is 0 into y, which is always 0. But this is the form of ax plus by plus c, right, where b equal to 0. So that is why 4 minus 3x equal to 0, this can also be written as, because here we don't find y. So minus 3x plus 0y plus 4 equal to 0. So this is also an equation in linear equation in one variable, where the second variable is missing. We have to write each of the following as an equation in two variables. So x equal to minus 5. You take minus 5 here, x minus 5. This is x minus 5 equal to 0. You don't have y, so just take 0 into y, minus 5 equal to 0. Here a is 1, 1 is the coefficient, and b is 0 and c is minus 5. In this case, y minus 2 equal to 0. Take 2 here, y minus 2 equal to 0. So when it is y minus 2 equal to 0, this is y. So 0 dot x plus, this can be written like this. A is 0, b is 1 and c is, of course, minus 2. In this case, 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Take 3 on the left hand side. So 2x plus 0y minus 3 equal to 0. A is 2, b is 0, c is minus 3. In this case, 5y, take left 2 on the left hand side. So we don't have 0, x means x is not there. So a is 0, b is 5, c is minus 2. Solution of linear equation. So every linear equation in one variable always have a unique solution. So can you say this about linear equation in two variable also? Are there two variables which are going to uniquely satisfy some equation? Let us consider this 2x plus 3y equal to 2. If you put x equal to 3 and y equal to 2, you get 2 into 3 plus 3 into 2 equal to 12, which is giving you a proper value. But if you put x equal to 0 and in the place of y you put 4, what do you get? 2 into 0 is 0, 3 4 is 12. So it is equal to 12. So you are getting two solutions here, 3 2 and 0 4. And if you put 1 and 4 here, you don't get the solution, because 2 into 1 is 2 and plus 3 into 4 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 13. So that is not a solution. So x equal to 1 and y equal to 4 is not a solution, but 0 4 is a solution. And please understand, 0 4 is not equal to 4 0. They are entirely different. So we have the 2x plus 3y equal to 12 and we have solution 3 2 and 0 4, because this 3 2 and 0 4 both, if placed in the position of x and y, they are going to give you 12, right? Now let us say 6 0 also. So 2 into 6 plus 3 into 0 is equal to what? 6 to the 12 plus 0. This is again a solution, because it is also giving you a solution, right? So 6 0 is also a solution. I hope you got the idea. So this is how, if you take, let me just put x equal to 2 here. So what you get? 2 into 2, that is 4 plus 3y equal to 12. What do you get? Y for? So take 4 here, it will minus 4, so it will give you 8, divide by 3, so you get 3. So y equal to 8 by 3, if you put x equal to 2, you get y equal to 8 by 3. So 2 8 by 3 is also a solution. Let us take x equal to minus 5. So I will put x equal to minus 5 here, 2 into minus 5 plus 3y equal to 12. This is minus 10, take minus 10 here, so it will be 10 added. So 3y will be equal to 22, y will be equal to 22 by 3. I am taking 3 in the denominator. Now if you put x equal to minus 5, you get another solution. So there are so many solutions: 3, 2, 0, 4, 2, 8 by 4, 2, 8 by 3, minus 5 by minus 5 and 22 by 3. So there are infinitely many solutions of linear equation in two variables. This has to be understood. We have to find 4 different solutions for x plus 2y equal to 6. Now for that you can put easily some value of x, for that you get value of y. I'm doing one for you, you just follow this to answer others. I am putting x equal to says 4. So I am putting x equal to 4 here. So 4 plus 2y equal to 6. 2y is equal to 6 minus 4. I am taking 4 to this side. So 2y will be equal to 2. I am dividing both sides by 2. So y equal to 1. So for 6, x equal to 6, y equal to 2. So 6, 1 is the solution. This is one solution. Oh, sorry, 4. Sorry, so sorry. 4, 1. So 4, 1 is the solution. So 4, 1 is the solution. You can find out others also. You put x equal to 9, x equal to minus 9, x equal to 22, whatever you want, right? So the best idea is to take the number line and minus 1, minus 2. So always put these values. Put 1, x equal to 0, x equal to 1, and x equal to 0, x equal to 2, like this. So these are the values for which you will get a easy value of y. These are the also the solution. We have to find 2 solutions of each of the following equation. So how to find two solution? See, the best is to put x equal to 0 and find out y. Then put y equal to 0 and find out value of x. So these are 2 solutions. I'll give you an example. Let us take this one. Otherwise, others I encourage you to solve by yourself. I'm solving. This is a solution here, but I'm giving you an idea so that you understand. I'm putting x equal to 0 here. So 4 into 0 plus 3y equal to 12. This is 0. Y will be 12 by 3. That is, y will be 3 4 is 12. So for x equal to 0, you get y equal to 4. Now put y equal to 0. So what do you get? 4x plus 3 into y, that is 3 into 0, 12. This is 0. So x gives you 12 by 4, 4 3 is 12. So for y equal to 0, you get x equal to 3. So 3, 0 and 0, 4 are the solution. These are the solution. You can take any values. I'm just saying that you put x equal to 0, you find y. You put y equal to 0, you find x. These are the best way to find out the solutions. Graph of a linear equation in two variables. How to solve the linear equation algebraically? Algebraically, we have already seen that how to find out the solution. Put value of x, find out the value of y. Ax plus by plus c is the general form. Put x equal to 0, find y. Put y equal to 0, find x. So these are the solutions. Right? There are numerous solutions. There is 0. You can take any value of x to find out value of y. Now, when we want to solve them graphically, means we need to, because we know that the solution is infinite. For any value of x which is infinite, any number you can take as x, you get infinite value of y. So infinitely many solutions for a linear equation in two variables. How to show them on the graph? For example, x plus 2y equal to 6 is our linear equation. Put x equal to 3. What do you get? X equal to 0, say 0. So 0 plus 2y equal to 6, y gets 6 by 2, that is 3. So for x equal to 0, y equal to 3. Again, put x equal to 2. So take here 2, 6 minus 2 is 4 and divide by 2. So you get 2. So for x equal to 2, you get 2. Similarly, for x4 you get 1, for x6 you get 0. So these are the value you need to find out. Now put these points on the coordinate axis, means on the Cartesian plane. I just found out that my first value is, see, these are all my values. So 0, 3, x is 0, y is 3, x is 2, y is 2, x is 4, y is 1, x is 6, y is 0. So x is 0, they see, x is 6, y is 0. So take x equal to 6 and y equal to 0. Now x is 2, y is 2. So x is 2, y is also 2. So take this point. Now x is 4, y is 1. So this is one point. X is 0, means y is 3. So these are the points, join them, and this is your required line. So 2x, or you can say the equation 2x x plus 2y plus is equal to 6, this equation is nothing but a equation of a straight line. This is an equation of straight line. See, you can see that this is a straight line, and every point on this straight line will be the infinite many solutions of that equation, right? Every point which is not lying on this line is not the solution. Say, I am saying, just check for say 2, 0. X is 2, y is 0. Means this point doesn't lie on this line, it's not solution. Neither this point is a solution, neither that point is a solution. If I say 4 and 4, 4, 4, put it in that equation, it is not going to solve it. So for anything which doesn't lie on this line is not the solution, right? So this is a straight line. We call it as a graph of a linear equation. It's a straight line. We plot for every x, y, or for every y, x, it will be a straight line, and this is ax plus by plus c, which is actually a linear equation, which is always going to give you a straight line. So linear equation in two variable is always a straight line. Given 2 points, or given the point 1, 2, find the equation of line on which it lies. How many such equations are there, right? So 1 and 3 are given. So just by trial error, 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, this is an equation. 1 plus 2 is 3. But take 1, because 1 and 2 are the points. So take this as x, this is y. So x plus y equal to 3. This is our equation. Also, we know that 2 minus 1 equal to 3. So this is y, this is x. So y minus x equal to 3. Or y minus x, sorry, this is 1. 2 minus 1 equal to 1. So y minus x equal to 1. So y minus x equal to 1 is one equation, and x plus y equal to 3, this is another equation. For any line, this one or many other lines, this 1, 2 will be there on this line. So any point, from any point, infinite lines are passing. From any point, infinite lines are passing. I'll just give you one more example. We have to draw the graph of x plus y equal to 7. So the best way is, as I just suggested, put x equal to 0, find y. If I'm putting x equal to 0, find y. So I'm putting x equal to 0 here, 0 plus y equal to 7. So y is 7. Y is 7. Now I'm putting y equal to 0. So x plus 0 equal to 7, that is x is equal to 7. So for x equal to 7, y equal to 0, x is 7. For x equal to 0, y is 7. Why we took 0 for x equal to 0, y equal to 0? Because we will get 2 points on the coordinate axis. Where x is 0, that means we are talking about y axis, and where y is 0, that means we are talking about x axis. So we get 7, 0 here, 0, 7 here. Just join this line, these 2 points. This is your required line. You know that the force applied on a body is directly proportional to the acceleration produced in the body. F is equal to ma, in fact, mass into acceleration. Or you can say F is directly proportional to the acceleration. M is the constant. So write an equation to express this situation and plot the graph of the equation, right? So we see that we take F as say x or say y, and this constant M as k, and this acceleration as x. So y equal to kx, this is an example of a linear equation. K can be any constant. So you just say that y equal to 3x or y equal to 5x. These are all the equations. So just take y equal to 3x, y equal to 3x. How to solve this? This type of equation where you have no constant value. If it would have been y equal to 3x plus 2, then this line will not pass through origin. When there is no constant, the line has to pass through an origin. So x equal to 0, y equal to 0, y equal to 0, x will also be equal to 0. So it is going to pass from the origin. Now let us put x equal to 1. What you get? Y equal to 3 into 1, that is y equal to 3. So for x equal to 1, y is 3. This y is 3. See, this is 3. This is 1, this is 3. So in this way you can find out infinite points and you can draw this line. This is your required line. So this kx, as I said, you just have to put k equal to 3, k equal to any value. This is not only one value. You can have y equal to 10x. It doesn't matter. But the graph would be just like this. But it has to pass through origin, and this will be equation. You can draw any line representing this situation, force equal to mass into acceleration, that is x equal to ky, as a straight line. For each of the graphs, these are being shown. Select the equation whose graph it is from the choices given below. So let us take this one, first one. This is what the first one is. See, it is passing from the origin, and 1, 2 and minus 1, minus 2 has to be satisfied. So first it is passing from origin, that means this cannot be a solution. These can be solution. Now we have to see which of the equation is satisfying minus 1, minus 2 and 1, 2. Minus 1, minus 2 and 1, 2. Let us put here 1, 2. 1 plus 2 equal to 0? No, this is not a solution. Y equal to 2x. So if y equal to 2 and we are putting x equal to 1, so y equal to 2x, this is solving it. And if you put y equal to 2, x equal to 1, this is not solving. So by putting those values and just understanding that it is passing from 0, we can say this is the equation. See, y equal to 2x is the equation. Similarly, we can take one more example like this. Say this one, third one. So third one is it is passing through minus 1, minus 6, 0, minus 4 and 2, 0. So let me take any of these, right? So now we see that this is not passing through origin. When it is not passing through origin, this will not be a solution. So we are only left with these three. And now let us take this point 2, 0, 0, minus 4 or minus 1, minus 6 and try to put in this equation and see whether it is going to solve it or not. So when we see this point, by inspection, by putting this value, we say that if we put in y equal to 2x minus 4, these all will be satisfied. That is, therefore, this is the equation of the line. Equation of line which is parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Simply, any line which is parallel to x-axis has a constant distance from x-axis, right? That means y equal to some c. Any line which is at a constant, which is parallel to y-axis, that is, it is having a constant distance from x, that is x equal to c. C is the constant. So this is the equation. These are the equations which are parallel to x-axis and y-axis. So these are the point 2, 0, minus 3, 0, 4, 0, 0 and 0. All these are the real number which lie on a Cartesian plane. They all lie on x-axis. Why? Because the y coordinate is 0. Similarly, those points where we have 0, say 2, 0, 4 like this, 0, 4, all these are lying on the, because these are y is 0 here. So they all are lying on the x-axis or y-axis. Where x equal to 0, that means y-axis. Where y-axis is 0, that means x-axis. So these are all lying on the y-axis. I hope you got the idea, right? So this x minus 2 equal to 0. Just take an example. X minus 2 equal to 0, that means x equal to 2. So x equal to 2, that means this is x, this is 1, this is 2. So x is equal to 2 is just this line. So it's a straight line, it's a line which is parallel to y-axis. X equal to 2 is an equation which is parallel to what axis? X-axis, right? I hope you got the idea. Means x minus 2 equal to 0 can be written as x plus 0 dot y equal to, minus 2 equal to 0. So x, y, this constant, so ax plus by plus c equal to 0, this is a form of linear equation. And when x minus 2 equal to 0, x equal to 2, that is simply this at a distance of 2, make a straight line. Now I'll put 2, 3. See, every time x is 2, x is 2, x is 2, x is always 2. Y will vary. X equal to 2, x is always 2. Y is going to vary because y is 0. So you put y equal to say 2, 5, it doesn't matter. So this is a line which is parallel to the y-axis. We have to solve the equation this one and represent the solution on the number line and the Cartesian plane. So 2x plus 1 equal to x minus 3. Let us take x here and constant 1 here. So 2x minus x is x, minus 3 minus 4 is x equal to minus 4. This simply means that we have to put x equal to minus 4. This is a number line. This is 0. We have to go on the left hand side because it is minus 4. We have to put this. So x equal to minus 4. Now this is your line. Let me make this also coordinate axis. This is a line which is parallel to the y-axis. which is at a distance of -4, that is on the left hand side of, or you can say on the left hand side to the y-axis. So this is 0, 0, you are going to left position, left, and this is x equal to -4, this is a straight line. Now x minus 4 can be written as, say, x plus 0 dot y equal to -4, this is all already done. So this is how you can easily, y equal to 3 means simply 1, 2, 3. So this is y equal to 3, and you just make a straight line. This is the line which is representing y equal to 3, which is essentially a linear equation. 0 dot x plus 1 dot y equal to 3, 0 is not there, but you can put any value of x here. So the value of x will vary, but y will always remain constant, which is 3. That is why it is parallel to the x-axis. So what we have seen in this equation, or this equation chapter, an equation of form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, a, b, c has to be real numbers. Thus this a and b cannot be at the same time 0 simultaneously. This kind of equation is linear equation in 2 variables because we have x and y, these are 2 variables, and the power is not more than 1, that is why it is linear. So linear equation in 2 variables has infinitely many solutions, infinite solution. Graph of every linear equation in 2 variable is always a straight line. X equal to 0 is the equation of y-axis, x equal to 0 is the equation of y-axis, and y equal to 0 is the equation of x-axis. The graph x equal to a, that is x equal to a, means you are trying to find out any line which is parallel to y-axis, and y equal to a means you are saying that it is a constant distance from the y-axis, at constant distance from x-axis. This is a line which is parallel to x-axis. Any equation of form y equal to mx is an equation which is passing through origin, because we don't have any constant here. If I remove any constant from here, this equation will always pass through the origin. Every point on the graph of a linear equation in 2 variable is a solution of the linear equation. So if I have a line here and we have a line here, this is a graph. Any point on this line is the infinite solution. Infinite solution is there, so one of the solution will be there, and any point which is outside this line will not be the solution of that linear equation. So this is all about this chapter. Thank you so much and take care of yourself.